Hi, my name is PH Oliphant. Welcome to my channel. This is PH Oliphant Knowledge and Skills. Today we are going to continue with our Zulu language lessons. Learn how to speak isiZulu. Lesson 1. Like any other language, when you speak, you must hear a sound. To understand what you are saying, we need to identify what language do you speak. For example, if you speak English or Zulu language, vowels and consonants will make us to understand. Well, how to speak Zulu language? This is lesson 1. In this lesson, we are coming to see what are vowels and what are consonants and combine them if the time allows us. So, what are vowels? A vowel. Vowels are letters that represent speech sound, where air leaves the mouth without any blockage by the tongue, lips, or throat. The vowels is the alphabet, and vowels are those alphabets that are or that can flow through your mouth without any blockage, like I said, without any blockage of tongue, lips, or throat. They just go through. Those are A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U in English. But because you and I are here to learn how to speak isiZulu, in Zulu, these alphabets sounds like A, E, O, U. To get that? A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. It is important to notice that the term vowels, a vowel can refer to both vowel sounds and vowel letters in the alphabet. So, and then what are consonants? A consonant is a letter of the alphabet that represents a basic speech sound produced by obstructing the breath in the vocal thread. All the letters in the alphabet apart from or with the exception of A, E, O, U are called alphabet. All those with the exception of vowels are called consonants. Like do you hear that sound? It can't come out because there's no vowel next to. So the majority of letters in the alphabet are consonant letters. When sounding consonants, airflow is interrupted or limited by the position of tongue, teeth, and lips. Most consonant letters have only one sound and rarely sound like their name. Right. So keep that with you. We're just now trying to make a vocabulary of Zulu language within your mind. We are here to enable you to communicate in isiZulu, right? So our duty is to make you to be able to speak in Zulu language fluently, to be able to listen, to understand, to read, to write, to respond, and to get into conversation, as well as to do well-presented presentations. Well, our emphasis is more on proper pronunciation. We are going to ensure that we give you high-quality pronunciation skills. I hope you understand. Let us get started. When we combine a vowel with a consonant, the following sounds come forth. U-B-A in isiZulu, they say ba. U-B-A, they say ba. B-A is ba. Ba. And then B-E is be. Be. B-I, B. B-O, bo. B-U, boo. And then in that is something like BA plus BA is equal to ba. You hear that now? There's a sound which tells us or interpret for us What is that? So BA plus BA is equal to Baba. Then we have other characters like CA. In Zulu they say Cha, CE, CI, CI, CO, O, CU, U, DA, 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 DE, De, DI, D, DO, Do, DU, Do. So it is Da, De, Di, Do, Do. Okay, I think you are going to catch it up when we go as we continue with our lessons. So remember, we are training our mouth and minds to be familiar with these vowels and consonants. So we can find these vowels and consonants in the following lessons. So BA plus BA is equal to Baba, Baba, which means father. BA plus BA is equal to Baba, Baba means father. Baba means father. And then CI plus BA is equal to Tsiba. To Tsiba. CI plus BA, Tsiba. To Tsiba is to shoot with a bow, with an arrow. If you shoot with an arrow, so we call that Tsiba in isiZulu. Uyatsiba, uyatsiba, Tsiba. So Deda, DE plus DA, DE plus DA, DE plus DA is equal to Deda, Deda, which means in English, move away. Deda, move away. So that is how we pronounce them. So we got Baba, Tsiba, Deda. And then it is very important to pronounce words correctly. The tone as well is very important. There are no shortcuts. You need to dedicate yourself in practicing until you do it correctly. Remember, our duty is to put an emphasis on proper pronunciation. There are other sites out there that are specializing on grammar, which I will refer you to as the time went. Our duty is to provide you with practical pronunciation. We will be very delighted to see you communicating successfully without being a joke out there. So let us continue. Let us now try to combine what is in front of us here. The first line is FA. FA in Zulu is fa. FE is fe. FI is fi. FO is for. FU is fu. So it reads thus: fa, fe, fi, for, fu. Do we hear that? Fa, fe, fi, for, fu. And then we have ga, ge, gi, go, gu, followed by ha, he, hi, ho, hu. I'm just bringing in these sounds so that you will know them and hear them. So in those, what Go plus Go is equal to gogo. Gogo means grandmother. So there are some like these ones here. The first line should be Ga, that is ja, La, that is la, Ka, that is ka, Ma, that is what? That is ma. Ma. Ja, la, ka, ma. Sideways. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Below that, la, le, li, lo, lu. Below that one, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Another one, ma, me, mi, mo, mu. So we will find words like ja plus bu plus la is equal to jabula, be happy. Jabula, be happy. La plus la is equal to lala. Lala means sleep, right? Lala, sleep. Below that, la, lela means to listen. Mama means mother. Malume, that is uncle. Malume, uncle. Right. The next one, in those words, you can find things like faka, which means put into. Faka. Mema, invite. Dedela, let it go. Malele, do not allow him. Bafika, they arrived. The first one, Fa plus ka is equal to faka, which means put into. Me plus ma is equal to mema, which means invite. Mema, invite. De plus la is dedela. Dedela, let it go. Malele, that is ma plus le. Ma plus le is equal to malele. Malele means do not allow him or do not allow her. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. You subscribe so that you will get more video as we post them on YouTube. So bafika, they arrived. Bafika, they arrived. Right? Faga, put into. Mema, invite. Dedela, let it go. Malele, do not allow him. Bafika, they arrived. So there's na, ne, ni, no, no. Na, ne, ni, no, no. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Pa, e, I, o, u. Sa, se, si, so, su. Please keep on practicing this. I'm going to say it for the last time once more, then I go further. Na, ne, ni, no, no. That is the first line. Na, ne, ni, no, no. Second line. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Third line. A, I, o, u. Right. The last one. Sa, se, si, so, su. Right. Okay. Then we can find amakama or words like these ones. Ka plus la is equal to kala. Kala means to begin. Kala means to begin. Ina means be strong. Ebisa, advice. Sola, blame. Kala, begin. Ina, be strong. Ebisa, advice. Sola, blame. Right. So another combination of these vowels and consonants is ta, te, ti, to, tu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Right. So we are going to explain this as we go further. For now, I'm just introduce them into your mind. So don't worry. It's not hard. It's very easy. You will see when we continue. Wela, crossover. Walibona. He or she saw it. Valelisa, say goodbye. Vela, appear. There's this, like ta, te, ti, to, tu, like ya, ye, yi, yo, you, like za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Introduction to your mind. Next time we'll instill them and practice to say them. So, out of those, or out of all what we have seen now, words like this can come out. Yaziwa means be known. Yaziwa, be known. Bayeza, they are coming. Bayeza, they are coming. Yeka, leave it. Yeka, leave it. Just leave it. So I know that we have been doing, I know that what we have been doing might not have made you or made any sense to you. But rest assured, your mind recorded all of these vowels and consonants, and it will come forth when we continue, or when we without any struggle when we start using it. So there will be a great result when we continue with our lessons. So on our next video, we will be introduced to the combination of a vowel with more than one consonant in a word. I hope you enjoy this lesson. Our aim here is to exercise our minds so that these words are in our heads and are within us. Then, so when we continue next time, it will be very, very easy to you to catch up or to cope up with them. Right. I hope you enjoy this wonderful lesson, and I hope I'll see you next time. There are still more class to come. Maybe we are here with you forever. We won't leave you because we are going to post almost every day, depending on how far